slide's gonna go on this little knob. This is called a knob.
We went inside a big barn over there that we found. And then we like found a gravel road and it went to somebody's house.
When you live in the south.
Here and then. Up on the hillside.
We're not going to try to split these uprights, are we?
It's actually pretty cool that this house went over.
I don't know if this trailer's gonna go through there.
Oh, this trailer will haul any load through any body of water.
Oh dear.
Cows walk through here. There we go, folks.
Well, they're not supposed to be able to.
It's supposed to be
Get the compressor ready. Get the compressor ready.
We're going through the water. Is the tire part? We'll check it after we go through the water. Then we just jump over.
We're heading through a pond.
The cage, no, not the fence.
Jump over the moon. That's where your little tires are very soon, folks.
I think so.
What are you doing?
There's the cows.
Beepers. Here, cows.
They're looking at us like we're crazy.
Brianna, this is in there. What?
I wonder if they've got any honeybees.
Look at those flies.
Who should we put in the cattle thing?
This is the hospital.
Cattle run.
They bring up the cows up here, and right now there aren't mothers and babies and the whole herd, right? But when Judy was here, they had the herd, so they had to all the medical procedures that needed to happen with the herd happened here, and they just moved them from section to section. And Roy built that barn, who knows, 40 years ago.
What is that device that looks a lot like a guillotine?
Well,
Which,
That's some hospital.
you put one cow in and you drop the board behind them, so they can't go back, and then their head goes through those metal bars.
Hey, there's another
And
white-faced
then
cow.
You go to work
Go walk
on
out
them,
there,
do what
Brianna.
you need to do, and you let them out. Right out here.
There's somebody.
Hi guys.
How you doing?
Hi everybody.
Oh yeah, these are all.
So what do they do about the flies? They get used to them or ignore them. You can come over, you can touch their nose, but they're very curious, but they're wary of us too.
They came up and put their faces in my hand.
Yeah.
Okay, there you go. I tell you, we let a 3-ton bull inside the fence this morning on a daily walk. He might be popping up here any minute. There's a straggler. See if he'll feed you. Go ahead and feed him. So these are just steers that you hear, and then they come here in April, and they live here until October,
But they fatten up
and then they sell them. Then they go somewhere else for another couple hundred pounds.
He's got, his trunk is full of different kinds of discs. And to me, it's no more than
It's like with golfing and all the different letters.
Yeah, all different sizes and densities. I saw that video you sent me. Blueberries shot over there.
Oh, I remember that one.
That's unbelievable.
I'm wondering how you find this.
Oh, they are so cute.
You have to apologize to it, guys.
Hi.
That little one there.
You're a sweetie.
Oh, that was Rob.
These are all pygmy goats.
Wherever Timmy went. Okay.
We used to raise pygmies.
Oh, okay. The one you were holding, that's his brother.
Oh, look how pretty.
Interesting.
Look how pretty.
Look at you. Look at you.
Hey, I'm a bottle baby too, can't
You
you
just
tell?
a pet. You just
Oh,
a big old
yes.
pet. Yes, you are.
Okay.
Big old pet.
Oh, this one's loving on me. They're so pretty.
You're like,
Check out all these beautiful pygmy goats. They got some sheep in here too. But they're so tiny and pretty. They got all these colors. You can see all that color in them.
come over to the cross.
You can tell who the buck is. Hey, Eden.
Oh, sorry.
No, you're good. Come join the fun of all these goats.
Hi, sir. You got some cute little white ears. Although you don't have any.
I think these goats are loving their life. They got a beautiful place to roam.
You're recording your favorite place on earth.
I am. I love goats
You
for
see
sure.
that little hay pile? There's
Yeah.
a goat with its tail poking out under there.
Oh my goodness. Hopefully it doesn't get stuck in that pile of hay.
I mean, worst case scenario, all of them eat through it, and he just gets a little
Yes.
head out of there. Oh, one came up behind you.
Where's the little baby?
I think the baby ran off. Oh no, he's over
Where'd
there.
he go?
He's over there with his mama.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Little baby's right
Right there.
right over there with his mama.
The tiny one.
Yep.
Oh, it's a black sheep. I'm going to pet you. Okay, never mind. So soft.
Hey, I'm trying to get a video of your baby.
Oh my gosh, the poor baby.
That is just the cutest thing.
But I'm hungry. Hi, little dude.
Hey, you're coming to eat my camera?
He said, oh, I'm a photogenic goat. You better
I
take pictures of me."
guess.
Oh, this is a tall dude. Oh,
Yeah.
sir. People help. Come here. That was different.